Hey guys, it's Max, and in this video I'm going to break down how I made over $50,000 from TikTok's creativity program beta in just 90 days.
On day one, we had an RPM of 102, did 1.9 million qualified views, and profited 1,991 euros. After month number 1 passed, our RPM hovered to 0.67, did 25.2 million qualified views, and profited 16,987 euros. After 90 days, we finished with an RPM of 0.71, did a grand total of 63.7 million qualified views, and had a net profit of 50,273 euros. I used a few different methods that made it successful, and you can start implementing them literally right after you watch this video. Starting with copying what's already working. So I did this on my account, and you guys can see right here millions of views on pretty much every single video I posted. And don't get me wrong, I'm not copying someone else's videos and pasting them onto my account. What I'm doing is I found someone that was also making these types of videos, and then I just recreated them in my own way. And it was like this from the inception of my account. You can see I posted a text thread video on the first video I posted, got over 200,000 views, and then the next video I posted 1.3 mil. The next video almost 100k. Next video almost 100k. Next video 4 mil. Next video 4.8 mil. 4.7, and you guys get the gist. So to understand why copying what's already working works so well, you need to understand how the TikTok algorithm functions. So I broke it down in Photoshop so you guys can get a full understanding of how it functions. And by the way, this is exactly how TikTok says their algorithm functions. So starting from the top, your video gets posted. Then it gets pushed to 200 to 1,000 people. This is because every single video that's posted on TikTok's platform, they want it to have a chance at going viral. So this is so they can have a small pool of data to see if it should go viral or not. And they see if it should go viral or not through their evaluation system. And this is based off 2 metrics, retention and engagement. That's it. Those are the only metrics they look at, and it's always been like that. It has never changed. And retention is just how long the average person watches your video, and engagement is how much people like, share, follow you after you're watching your video, and just like engage with it in general. So it's all really down to having a good video. If you have a good video, you're gonna tick off these 2 metrics. So based off these, you're either gonna have a bad performance, meaning your video won't get pushed after it's got 200 to 1,000 views. That's why people say, oh, they got shadow banned or whatever, but it's really just down to them not making a good video. So say you had good retention and engagement, your video will go to good performance, and it will continuously get pushed to the point where it could be at millions of views. And the only way it's going to stop getting views is if the retention and engagement starts to lack as it gets to a broader audience. So that's how the algorithm works. And now the reason why copying what's already working is so effective is because if a video's already gone through this, it's already gone through their algorithm and it's been proven to go into good performance, it's been proven to hit off retention and engagement, it'll do it again. You can pretty much just steal what's already been proven to go through TikTok's algorithm and go viral and just put that virality onto your account. Unfortunately, this isn't the best format you can start copying, but I'm going to give you the criteria I specifically used to find daily text and that you can use today to try and find the best possible account to copy for yourself, because you're pretty much just copying their success for yourself. So you're trying to find the best account possible. This account you find is going to literally determine the potential you have with this business model. So starting off with number 1, they need to be getting millions of views on every single video they post. You can only go as viral as the person you're copying. Second, you want to make sure that the videos they're posting are faceless. This is so later you can automate, and we're going to talk about automation later in this video. Third, you want to make sure the videos they're posting are over a minute long. This is because if their videos aren't over a minute long, there's a good chance they aren't trying to make money from the program in general. Fourth, their concept they're creating should be doable for you to edit yourself, because you're not going to be able to just copy their video and post it on your account. You have to copy their idea and then recreate it yourself. So you have to be able to have the skills to be able to edit the format you want to do. Then 5, and this is another really important one, is the format you're choosing isn't saturated. Like for example, how many times have you guys seen the exact same regurgitated Reddit story on your For You page? Probably a lot. And probably the last time you watched it, you didn't engage with it the same way you engaged with it the first time you heard that story. So you're just going to scroll on TikTok constantly, and you're going to look for videos that have those 5 things in common. If you can find accounts with all those 5 things in common, it's your sign to pull the trigger on copying this person and getting an account started. Okay, so now automating your momentum. This is huge because this is going to allow you to scale your portfolio to dozens of these accounts
and they're just running on autopilot while you, I don't know, go on vacation or some shit. By doing this, you're literally going to be able to do whatever you want and pretty much just be able to just chill while these accounts make you money. So how this works is very simple. All you need to do is get your account to around 100,000 to 200,000 views per video, and you just do this by copying what's already working. And then once you get it to that point, you're going to be making around $100 to $150 per video, because the average RPM on TikTok is around $1. And all you do once you get your account to that point is just find an editor that can make videos for cheaper than $100 to $150 per video. You explain to them your strategy so that your videos don't start lacking as you hire someone else to come and take your place. And then all you do is just collect the difference. And it's really easy to find these editors. You can look on LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, or whatever platform you want to try and find editors on. You can even go through the dark web and try and find the Indian method and find editors for like $2 if you're really fucking greedy. And that is it. So once you get an account that is automated and then you're just collecting the difference between your editor and what the videos are making you, you can completely separate yourself from your account. So then you can go and create another account and do the exact same thing, and then go and make another account and another account. And all of a sudden you have a huge portfolio of these accounts bringing you money. So those are the two things that really helped me when trying to see success with my daily text account. And hopefully you guys took at least a few things from this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, because we're going to be posting every single week on Friday at 5 p.m. EST. I'm going to really try and stay consistent for you guys. And if you want some more help, you can check out my free Discord down below. We all have the same goal in there. We're trying to rinse TikTok dry. So if you aren't currently in the Discord, definitely go check it out. It's a really good community and it's completely free to join. Peace out, guys.